Alright guys, I'm sorry it came to this, but our little birdie, he's going home. He hasn't moved in a couple days, so we're gonna give him the proper home bringing that he deserves. Let's go ahead and open his last home that we recognized him at. Got my little assistant helping me here. You want to go ahead on and grab the bird out of there, baby?
Yeah.
Good job there. Okay. Ooh, you stink, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. From here, what are we going to do with him?
We're going to put this thing on it, and then we're going to grab it, and then we're going to just put him in there.
Okay.
Now, we're going
You want to take one more look at him before we cover him up? You want to look at him one more time? You want to show us the bird before you cover him up? Okay. Y'all see our little birdie. We called him SS. And there goes SS. All right. Close casket. SS is pretty stinking, huh? Pretty stinky, huh? What are we gonna do? We're gonna cover it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good girl. You must be my big girl, huh?
Yeah.
Poor SS. We sure gonna miss him. We gonna miss him, huh?
Yeah.
You want me to get some?
Huh?
You want me to get some?
What?
Oh, you got it.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. There's a big one.
That's a big one now, huh?
Yeah. There's a bigger one.
Big girl. My little helper there, guys. Big strong helper. Put some more.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that red cardinal. Look at that red bird on the fence.
Huh?
Look at that red bird. He's watching us bury him. You saw it?
Yeah, I see.
You see it?
Yeah. What is
He's pretty, huh?
Yeah.
I'll dig another hole. Let's get it from over here.
Wait. Yeah, dig it down.
Get some right there.
Oh, and then we're going to have to put X on it. We're going to put X.
An X? You want to put an X on them too?
And then when you're done with that, I'm going to pat it and then do an X. I'm going to pat it.
Hold on, let me do it some more.
Okay. Let me put some.
Let me put some more now.
Yeah, put a little more. Yeah, big one. Yeah, big one. You even not see him. You can barely even not see him. Now I'm gonna pat it. I'm gonna pat it. Now I go to pat it. Now I'm gonna put the X on it.
You want to put an X on that?
Where is that X?
We'll do another one. Let me see. Gotta do a big X. pat him and put an X on him?
Hmm?
Yeah.
Now pat him. Pat it, pat it. Now, wait, can you do it by with the camera?
Gotta make a big one. Go some more. Drag it some more.
Like this?
Drag it some more. Keep dragging it. No, keep dragging it back some. Drag it. Like this. You gonna pat it down first? Pat it. And I'm gonna do the X.
I just hold the camera.
Okay. Alright, we got it all patted. I go ahead and put an X on it for us.
Okay.
Now come right here and do one right there.
EX.
Alright guys, we did it. We got our bird buried. Got an X on the spot just for you, SS. You gonna miss him?
Huh?
You gonna miss him?
Hmm?
Yeah.